All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and the channel is all about making money online and how we are able to make money online, and we pass that on to you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We appreciate it. And if you get any value to this video, please like it and leave us a comment. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our daily series, the turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, and where we're using Clickbank, a Clickbank offer, and MLGS, which is a copy and paste email from Clickbank. So let's see, let's jump into Clickbank. And I also have something I'm going to show you inside MLGS that has just come up. And it looks like it's an issue. So whenever you see it, you may think it's an issue, but it's really not. But I'm going to show you how to get around it and how to fix that problem. If I can get logged into Clickbank. Okay. Looks like I'm going to have slow internet today again. Let's just go check some stats here. All right. So here's our, this is for today. So here's our ClickStore links today. We've still got all these apps. All these are still working for us. So it's kind of cool that all these stay out there working for us. So you can start seeing that now. So our total impressions for today, 8. That's through to our order form, but no sales on this promo yet. So let's go and just do a quick period search to today. All right, so here we go. So we're seeing this is just before we started. I can't remember the exact date we started this, but I wanted to grab the whole thing. So I go January to March. Now this is day 45 in the series, and this is day 5 in this new promo, this promotion that we're doing with Clickbank. We're on the 3rd one here. So, all right, so you can see here, we're still getting tons of traffic in there. I'm not getting as many clicks through to the order forms I'd like to see. I'm definitely not getting the sales I'd like to see with this this promotion, this new one we started. But you know what? We're going to continue, and we're going to see what happens. So today is day 5. So after today, we'll have another 5 days, and then we'll just move on to the next one. Because this only had 10 emails with it on this 3rd offer. Let's jump into MLGS. I'm going to show you something over there. So once we get logged in, I'm going to show you, and it's something I knew about, but you forget about it until it comes up. So let me show you. If you go here to mailing system, like always, okay, now you're going to see what I'm talking about. You grab a pen. See right here where it says select last 9,000 of 9,100. Now this is telling me that I can only send to 9,000 people when I know I'm getting 100 leads or 200 leads dumped in here every single day. This is due to the way they set up their new accounts when they come in. The newer accounts are on one server, from my understanding, and then all you need to do is send them an email, and they will migrate that account to the new server, and then you get all your leads. That's how you're able to build these 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 leads, but you have to get past this 9,000 piece first. So just watch for this. When you get up this high, you're going to see this right here. So just keep your eye out for this. Now, I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to show you where to go once you do see that. Now, just wait until it says this. That way they know what you're talking about, right? Well, then all you're going to do is go to support. And I guess I probably should have checked and see what email I used for this account. We're just going to send them an email if my internet will work with me here. Actually, it's not even an email. All you're doing is you're just going to go in and put in a support ticket, and they're actually really fast on the response for this. And if you have more than one account, they'll connect the dots with your name, and they'll go ahead and just migrate all of your accounts to the new server. So that way, once you hit that point, you're going to go ahead and be able to go over that 9,000. It's not an issue for them to do it. They just reply back, "Yep, no problem. We'll get this migrated," and then they let you know when it's all good, and then you can continue on. But it looks like my internet is not going to let me go in there and submit that ticket today. All right, well, my internet is not cooperating with me right now, so I'm going to put in a ticket later. I'm going to go ahead and send this email. I'm just going to select those. See here, now it's going to have over here, these are on hold. Okay, that's because it's over 9,000. But like I said, once you send them or put in a support ticket, they're going to fix that for you right away. So just make sure you do that. Make sure you watch for this. Okay. All right. I'm just going to send it because I want to get these out. I'm trying to get back on track with my time. So I'm going to grab my subject line right there. And I'm going to grab the entire email. We'll grab the pre-header on this one. Our hop link. So there we go. We got everything. I'm going to go ahead and rebold that, get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of name and pull my shortcode. Well, make sure you get the whole thing. There we go. So Control C, Control V, come. Okay, there it is. I'm going to put my signature in. And I'm going to create my hop link. Right there. I'm going to highlight Control C, and let's go see where to put it. Right here, click here, it says, so we definitely want it there. That one all bold. And we want one more spot. As long as it makes sense, we want one more spot. I don't really see. I don't really see anywhere it makes good sense to put that in again. So let's just do this. We'll put it in here one time on this one. I'd rather have it in there twice, but it's okay. I also like things to make sense. So I don't just want to throw it in here. I like it to kind of flow and make sense whenever it goes out. So I'm reading it. If I'm reading it and it doesn't make sense, then how's somebody else going to read it and make sense of it? They can say, why is there a link here, right? All right, so this is all done. I'm going to grab my email with Control C, and just do a quick check. Everything except for those is in here, which is fine. I'll grab them. I'll take care of that later. And send. Let's see if it'll send, because my internet's been screwy. You know, when you're working online and your internet is giving you problems, it does get kind of frustrating, but you know, it's part of it. It's part of it. See, like now it's still kind of messing up. So, yeah, it's still messing up, guys. So, well, here we go. Maybe I can move forward. Let's go to our next account and hit mailing system. Now, see, this one's still low because I wasn't getting these doubled. See, internet issues. This is why. But we're still able to send these, so it's still working out for us. Grab our subject line. We're going to copy our body for the next account and then send. Let's see if we can get it to send. Okay. Yep. Maybe now our internet's doing a little bit better. See if we can zip through these, and I'll see if I can go ahead and get a support ticket in while I'm on here so you can kind of see how to do that. But it's really easy. It just comes up and says support, and a little box comes up. Three. So let's see. So this one will be our next one up there that we're going to end up needing moved, but it's not there yet. So for now, we're still good, and we're just going to continue on. But once we put that support ticket in, more than likely we won't have to do that again for these other accounts, because they're going to see that we have multiple accounts, and they're going to just go ahead and migrate those to the other server. That's what they've done in the past. So it shouldn't be too big of a deal if you have 3, 4, 5 accounts, whatever you're working with. They will migrate them all generally at the same time. That way you don't have to keep putting in support tickets for those. I'm not sure why they're still that way. I kind of thought that they just might start migrating everyone to the new server, but it doesn't look like it. So it is what it is. But it's not a big deal. We will fix it. All right. So we'll do this one more time, and I'm going to go and jump in that first account, and we'll try and get a support ticket done while I'm on here. Okay, we'll switch. We'll get this last email out. And this is, well, so this is going to be the next one right here for sure. Core 8400. All right. Okay, so this is our last one. So we'll get that sent, and then let's jump to that first account and see if we can't get that ticket in. So there we go. Let's see right here. And if my internet's still not great, then I'll just still slow. Then I'll do this well, tomorrow, I guess. Oh, here we go. It's going. Look. Oh, well, they changed this. All right. Oh, here we go. New support ticket. I need to see what email I used. right. There we go. See where I've already had it. What's your name? Description. Can you please add it over 9,000. And then, always gonna be, thank you. Okay, and then I'm going to submit. They're usually really good about this. Like I said, it's not that big a deal. And even if I have to go and do it on the next ones, if they can't find the other ones and migrate them all, it's not that big a deal. I just go send it in. They'll get them done and migrated, and then you're opened up. You never have to do that again. It's only at that 9,000 point that you have to do that. I'm not sure, some kind of setting whenever they started or something. But anyway, that's kind of the way it works out. But it's a pretty easy fix as long as this goes. And I'll check again tomorrow. Okay, so we've got that ticket in. Hopefully it goes through. My internet's screwy, so if it doesn't, that's fine. I'll just do it. I'll take care of it later. I'll take care of it in the morning. But that is what you do. That's all you have to do. They'll take care of it. If they shoot me an email back, show that on here so you know what to expect. Really, it's just going to say, we've migrated your accounts, and it'll be taken care of. All right. So no big deal, but just something to watch for. All right. So let's see. We're still going to be working on this new series here. So check this one out. You're not going to want to miss this for sure. This is like a $10 a day business, or a day. This is like a $10 a month business. $10 a month, you get in. People are loving the products. I would definitely recommend jumping on this. This is for Live Good. It's supplements. The supplements are awesome. We take them. We tried them. They're great. It tastes good. Makes us feel good, and then we're able to make some money with it. So I've only been in this for 2 weeks. I've actually already got paid, and I already hit my bank account. So it's direct deposit. You get paid, it goes straight into your bank account, and you don't have to worry about it. So it's pretty cool. So 2 weeks in to already be getting paid on one of these programs is insane. It usually takes a little time to build up into one of these. But like I said, this is on fire. It's the fastest growing program on the internet right now. So you do, trust me, you need to get in on this one now while it's still early. The company's only been up and running since the last week of December. There's still time. This is going to continue. But don't miss out on this. I mean, $10 a month, don't miss out on this. So, all right, guys, appreciate you being here. If there was ever a time to take some advice from somebody on the internet, it would be this one about this, because getting paid like that already, it's pretty awesome. A couple of the people under me have already been able to bring people in, so they're already getting paid too. And that has just been phenomenal fast. I've never seen anything like it. But anyway, we are going to continue with our series here every day. And I am going to continue putting training videos inside this one. So whenever you do join up, you can go through this and get everything set up, and you can start making money quick, or as quick as possible. All right. May not be that fast for everybody, but you will get there. All right, guys, we will see you on the next one. Appreciate you being here, and we'll talk to you later.